Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Mandy Hernandez, the Sales and Marketing Manager at MedWrench, and today I'm with Ira Lapides, the CEO and President of RPI. Ira, welcome. Thanks for coming and sharing what RPI is all about.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
We are at the Colorado HTM Mixer, and today we're just going to have a one-on-one conversation with Ira and the history of RPI. Ira, can you share what RPI is?
Sure. RPI is the original reverse engineering aftermarket parts company in the healthcare equipment industry. We were started in 1972 by my parents and a couple of other partners. My dad was an aerospace mechanical engineer and was looking to branch out and do something different, and discovered the healthcare equipment repair industry, and found a way to reverse engineer and subcontract the manufacture of parts for healthcare equipment. So we started out in a small building actually in Los Angeles in 1972, and we have since expanded over the last 48 years to have nearly 4,000 parts covering all kinds of different healthcare equipment, including dental equipment, laboratory equipment, medical office equipment such as tabletop sterilizers and exam tables and chairs, and parts for a lot of hospital equipment such as large steam sterilizers, chemical sterilizers, centrifuges, infant care equipment, and many more.
Very nice. Ira, can you share what RPI does?
Sure. RPI reverse engineers parts for a variety of healthcare equipment. So we will take parts off of a piece of equipment and find out how they're made, what they're made of, and we have a full-blown engineering department with mechanical engineers, AutoCAD, SolidWorks programs, and so forth, and product development engineers who are former biomeds and field service technicians. And we reverse engineer the parts. We find companies that specialize in manufacturing different types of parts, machine metals, injection molded plastic and rubber, PC boards, different types of heating elements, and all kinds of other parts. And we have the parts reverse engineered to our engineering prints, but we of course make sure that the parts meet or exceed the performance requirements of the OEM equipment.
Is there anything new RPI is working on?
Sure. Well, over the last couple of years, we've had a little bit of an emphasis on some chemical sterilizers and automated endoscope reprocessors, the Medivators and the STERAD hydrogen peroxide sterilizers. So we've come out with PM kits for all of those machines, with a few more to come. And now, over the last couple of months and moving forward through the rest of this year, we have some specialized tools and additional parts that we're going to be introducing for those pieces of equipment.
Very neat. What would you say makes RPI unique?
Well, I think there are a couple of things. One is the engineering emphasis that we have in our company, and the reverse engineering that we do, the testing and specifications. We're ISO 9000 certified. We've been ISO certified since the year 2000. And we're also an FDA registered medical device manufacturer, because some of the parts that we do have required 510K clearance from the FDA. So we have ISO audits every year, plus we have the FDA inspections every year. So our quality management system is quite thorough. On top of that, because we're an engineering and kind of an inventory firm, all that we do essentially is sell new parts. So everything that we have that you see on our website or in our catalog is going to be in stock and available for immediate shipment. We're not sourcing parts, we're not or salvaging parts off of equipment and refurbishing. Everything basically is brand new, with the exception of a couple of PC boards that we do refurbished.
If someone wanted to order parts, what would be the process that they would go about getting in contact with you?
Well, it's very easy. You just go to our website at rpiparts.com, or call us at 800-221-9723, and it's very easy to set up an account at RPI and get an order going.
Wonderful. What else should we know about RPI?
Well, there's a couple of things. One is that we offer free technical support. So our product development engineers, who are former biomeds and field service technicians, are the ones that are developing the parts, but they're also the ones that are providing free technical support to our customers. And that's over the phone and email and so forth. They also have put together a great library of technical resources on our website that anybody can access. We have great customer service, and we also have a really interesting warranty on our parts. Our parts are warranted to the customer's satisfaction. There's no arbitrary time limit on the warranty for our parts. So we really leave it up to the expertise of the customer, the knowledge of the customer, to know how that particular piece of equipment has been used and whether or not our part met their expectations. And if the part doesn't meet their expectations, then we'll take it back and we'll gladly exchange it.
Very neat. Well, we thank you for being such a pillar in the HTM industry and taking the time to talk with us today. If you do have any questions, feel free to comment or visit www.rpiparts.com to get in contact with Ira and his team. Ira, thank you so much for talking with us today.
Sure, thank you.